हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ अमित त्यागी लेकिन आज मैं हेलो कर रहा हूँ एक ऐसी लड़की को जिसको इस हेलो से बहुत डर लगता है। हेलो मिनी। तो फाइनली अनुजा और उनके फैंस के लिए ये अच्छी खबर ये है कि हेलो मिनी का सीजन 2 आने जा रहा है। ट्रेलर आ चुका है। आई एम श्योर आपने लाइक किया होगा। मेरे साथ सीधा यूएसए से जुड़ रही हैं अनुजा, यानी हमारी मिनी, यानी हमारी रिवाना। तो रिवाना, अनुजा, वेलकम टू माय शो।
Oh, thank you so much for having me.
ये बताओ कि पहले सीजन में मतलब हमने 12-13 एपिसोड इतना काफ़ी लंबा चौड़ा सीजन था वो आपका, लेकिन अभी तक
हाँ,
ये सॉल्व नहीं हुआ कि आखिर रिवाना को स्टॉक कौन कर रहा है। तो क्या सीजन 2 में हमें इसका आंसर मिलेगा या अभी भी चेस क्लिफ हैंगर पर हम लटके रहेंगे अनुजा?
I cannot answer that. I'll say, you have to look and see. You have to, we worked very hard for is suspense ke liye. So I cannot just say it right now because I want everyone to just be on the ride with me. So I'll just say, maybe you'll see it, maybe you won't, but you have to see season 2 to find out.
जी। तो सीजन 2 का कुछ तो हमें झलक दीजिए, जो हमें ट्रेलर में दिख रहा है कि इस बार आप किसी एक स्कैंडल में फंस जाएंगी। डैनी के साथ क्या होगा, पुराने लोग लौटेंगे। तो व्हाट आर द नॉवेल्टी एलिमेंट ऑफ सीजन 2 इफ यू कैन थ्रो सम लाइट?
Novelty element, obviously Rivana or Danny, they're in a relationship that's been quite built up throughout all of season 1. So now fans will be able to see kya ho raha hai Danny और Rivana के बीच में, in season 2, what is going on with their relationship, how are they as a couple, and how do they survive challenges that go on in season 2. Because in season 1, Danny and Rivana just fell in love, first time, new love and new relationship. So I think Danny and Rivana's relationship is a big theme of season 2. And obviously we have some people from season 1 coming, but lots of amazing new characters as well. So lots to see, new people to see in season 2, lots to look out for.
जी। तो मैं सीज़न 1 की बात करूँ तो किस तरह का आपको रिस्पॉन्स मिला, किस तरह का एडुलेशन मिला, किस तरह के फैंस मिले, लोग किस तरह के सवाल पूछते हैं जब आपसे मिलते हैं, किस तरह के सोशल मीडिया पे मैसेजेस आते हैं अनुजा? तो कैसे मतलब सीज़न 1 ने आपको मतलब अनुजा से बना दिया मिनी एंड रिवाना?
you know uh, if I'm saying honestly, I think season 1 season 1 ke baad, I don't know what happened in my life. Something good happened in my life, but I've gotten so much love from these fans. And if I look back on making the decision to do season 1, I didn't know ki, if is it a right thing to do, it's my first ever job film industry mein, so I had no idea if it would work out, and the way it worked out and how, I'm just so grateful. And since season 1 has released, every day, every single day on my Instagram, people are asking, season 2 come, season 2 come, season 2 come. So I've just been dying to tell the fans that we worked so hard on it. And, I just can say I'm grateful and I'm very honored that people love it and love the show and, maybe love me as Rivana. And I'm just so grateful for that.
चूँकि हेलो मिनी एक नॉवल पर, मैरी मी स्ट्रेंजर पर आधारित है, नोवेल का जो नॉवल है, तो ऑब्वियसली लोगों ने पढ़ा है, एक वो वाला एलिमेंट रहा है। लेकिन साथ साथ पहले सीजन में फारूक कबीर जैसे डायरेक्टर था, हु इज़ लाइक अ वेरी एज डायरेक्टर ऑफ हुज डायरेक्टेड फिल्म्स। तो नए सीजन में नए डायरेक्टर के साथ डू यू थिंक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ न्यू द न्यूनेस एक होता है ना, नया डायरेक्टर अपना एक एनर्जी लेके आता है, नए एक्टर्स अपनी एनर्जी लेके आते हैं। तो कैसा सेट पर था पूरा एटमॉस्फेयर जब आप सीजन 2 शूट कर रहे थे? कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग टिडबिट्स अबाउट द शूट ऑफ सीजन 2?
I think this shoot was obviously very unique because COVID ke time mein, I mean, we're trying to do something in a pandemic. So obviously that goes without saying ki I had Farooq Kabir in season 1, who was a director of, I cannot honor him enough for what he was for me. But we had Arjun Srivastava, who was so incredible to me. He was such a caring, giving guy. And the whole environment of the set was, we all have to work as a team, because everybody is just making each other safe and making each other feel ki we can go back to work, we can go back on the set, because COVID times, everything shut. So we were the first people back really working in this industry. And I could not have thanked Arjun more for making me feel strong, making me feel focused. And he had such a clear vision of what he wanted to do with season 2. So I was honored to work with him as a director.
जी। ये पेंडेमिक की बात चली है तो आप चूँकि यूएसए में रहती हैं, यूएसए में पेंडेमिक का काफ़ी असर हुआ, इंडिया में भी हुआ। तो जब शूटिंग हो रही थी तो कैसे बैलेंस किया आपने यूएसए इंडिया के पूरे ट्रैवल को? हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस? व्हाट हिकअप्स यू फेस?
Balance, matlab there was no balance. There was no balance. Season two, during the season two shoot of Hello Mini, to main bilkul I was literally in that zone only. It's difficult. I could not see my parents. I could not see my fiance, Ankur. I could not see my sister. So lots of people, I was isolated. But in that isolation, I was so full of doing Hello Mini. So yes, I was lonely. Yes, it was difficult, but I knew that I had to be safe. I had to keep my crew safe. So quarantine was very important during that time. So that's why I just kept in my heart that it will happen safely. So that's why I have to just focus on my work, and I'll see my family when I see my family.
जी, तो अंकुर की बात चल रही है, मैंने हाल ही में अंकुर का इंटरव्यू किया था, उन्होंने काफ़ी मज़ेदार किस्से बताए, तो क्या अंकुर हमें दिखाई देगा इस सीज़न में? ये तो आपको बताना पड़ेगा, क्या
I
आप
cannot tell you.
ओके।
I cannot tell you. I'll tell you that I cannot see Ankur in my own life. तो
ओह माय
अगर
गॉड!
वो Hello Mini season 2 में होगा तो at least I'll get to see him somewhere. So much long distance is going on. So I don't know, but I cannot give any spoilers.
तो ये बताएं कि आप आपके पिताजी और आपकी बुआ पल्लवी जोशी दोनों एज बॉलीवुड के परफॉर्मर्स रहे हैं। उनका रिएक्शन कैसा था जब उन्होंने आपको पहली बार स्क्रीन पे देखा? खास के पिता ने, आपके पिताजी इतने सारे, मतलब आई रिमेंबर हिम, ही वाज लाइक द फेस ऑफ ऑल फिल्म्स व्हेन ही वाज एज अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट। सो हाउ डिड ही रिएक्टेड टू योर परफॉर्मेंसेस? ही गेव यू सम लाइक पॉइंटर्स, ही गाइड्स यू, हाउ इज योर फैमिली?
Yeah, absolutely. Dad, for me, and Pallavi Atya, because I'm also Marathi, so I call her
ओके,
Atya.
ओके,
They both are very, very critical of making sure that me and my twin sister Anisha, anytime we're on the screen, we are giving our full effort and our full work ethic. So before I started on screen in Mumbai, I was doing lots of theater, New York में और DC में, Washington DC में. So I was always on the stage, always performing. I was acting since I was very young. So ever since, forget Hello Mini, any time before that, even Dad and Pallavi said, you are not performing to your excellence. You are not doing the hard work that I know you can do. You can push harder than this. You did not train enough. You did not practice enough. You did. So they've always pushed me to a standard that not just because they love me, that they'll say, Acha, you did such a good job, Betty, like this, that. They don't do that for me.
ओके।
They tell me, always strive to be the best, because nobody will ever lie to you in this industry. People are brutally honest. And if the fans don't love you, you have failed. So my dad's advice has always been, you work hard and then let the audience tell you what they think of you.
जो रिवाना का किरदार है आपका, मैंने शूटिंग जो तो पहले सीजन में बहुत, आई थिंक एक फिजिकली एग्जॉस्टिंग होगा आपको, क्योंकि आपको स्टंट भी करने हैं, इमोशनल सीन्स भी करने हैं, चोट भी खानी है, रोमांटिक सीन्स भी देने हैं, अच्छा भी लगना है, तो एक थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस था, क्योंकि एक रिवाना का कैरेक्टर थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, इट्स नॉट द यूजुअल कैरेक्टर्स जो होते हैं, क्योंकि सब दारोमदार पूरे शो का रिवाना पर है, और आपको कई सारे कैरेक्टर के अंदर लेयर्स बहुत सारे थे। तो कितना आपके ऊपर स्ट्रेस था कि मुझे इतनी सारी चीज़ें करनी है, अच्छा भी दिखना है, परफॉर्मेंस भी देनी है, चोट भी खानी है, तो कैसे मैनेज किया अनुजा?
Season 2 में या
वन
season
में ही,
1 में?
मैं तो अभी सीन तो देखा नहीं है, वन में ही आपके लिए इतना मुझे स्ट्रेस नजर आ रहा था, तो वो
हाँ,
स्ट्रेस वैसा ही है टू में?
हाँ, बिल्कुल है, क्योंकि Novanil, though, I mean, he's written such an amazing novel, and
जी,
Rivana has gone through such an arc. I'm doing my best to just maintain that and honor the character as she has been written. So obviously, it was very exhausting, and I think stunts, looking good, performing good, makeup good, hair good. On top of all of this is COVID. On top of everything, though, people are forgetting that we shot in COVID. I was getting COVID testing done like multiple times a week, working overtime, staying in a quarantine. So yeah, it was very stressful. It was very exhausting. Probably, I think Hello Mini season 2 was the most difficult shoot of my life, effort wise.
Yes, I can imagine that, but I'm sure the hard work will pay off because I think a lot of buzz is there for the season two. So all the best,
Yes.
Anuja. I loved you in season one. I'm sure season
Oh,
two will
thank
be
you.
one level up. All the
Oh,
best,
thank
and
you.
we want to see you more in India.
Yeah, I'll come back soon. I'll come back soon, hopefully.
And I see you in interview in person when I think the Minu Hello Mini success party will happen. Let's hope for that.
Ah, we'll definitely and we'll hang out for sure in person. I'll bring my dad to come say hi to you.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, and all the best.
Thank you, Amit. Take care.
Chale, goodbye.
Bye.